everything comes together. Boy, when you're up, this girl is down, and I just can't figure it out. You know that I want you, and I know that I need you. Yeah, it's not anything you just love you, baby. My mind is burning. It's just can you run? Yeah.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this full stretched out Bantu knot look using two SheaMoisture products. So the first product that I will be applying is the extra moisturizing transitioning milk from SheaMoisture. After that, I will be using the Heatless Curl Stretch Gel from SheaMoisture. So I don't think you're supposed to use these two products together because on the back it says use on clean hair, but I use these two products together and it worked fine for me. So the first thing I did was wash my hair. So right now my hair is damp and it has absolutely no product in it. So now I'm going to section my hair off and I'm going to start applying my transitioning milk. So if you guys are subscribed to my channel or you've watched a couple of my videos, you know that I just had weave in my head and I've recently taken it out. So with weave comes leave out, and leave out leaves your hair damaged because I had to keep reflat ironing, etc, etc. So this transitioning milk was perfect for my hair in the situation that I'm dealing with right now.
Take this overboard. I want you to
Okay, so after I applied the transitioning milk to all sections of my hair, I let that marinate for about 30 minutes and then I was ready to take out the twist and move on to the curling gel. So I'm going to take just a little bit of the cream because it's so thick. The consistency of it is not gel-like at all, yet it still performs as a gel, which is so cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply that to the same sections that I applied the transitioning milk to. So as I'm applying the curling gel to my hair, I am lathering it on because the more gel there is, the heavier it's going to weigh on my hair and for it to be more stretched out. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to get my Denman brush or any type of wig brush or bristle brush and just rake it through. So after I Bantu my hair all up, I'm going to go to sleep and wake up and wait for it to be dry. Okay, so it's the next day and I slept in my Bantu knots. So usually my Bantu knots would be really tight, which I don't like at all. I mean, it's more defined, but I don't like defined. I like big hair, which is what this tutorial is basically about, to get a big Bantu knot look. So by me applying so much of this hair gel, it weighed my hair down enough so that when I went to Bantu knot my hair, it was so heavy that I guess it came out longer and stretched out. I mean, I'm all for it. So I'll just stretch it out like this. And you can see it's way less defined than your normal Bantu knot, which is what I want. And it's just longer, which is the purpose of the gel. So I say the gel worked. But also my hair is completely dry, so that is a major factor as well. If you take out your Bantu knots while your hair is wet, your hair will not come out in the Bantu knot. It might come out somewhat Bantu'd up, but your hair is gonna puff up and it's basically a waste of time if your hair is not completely dry. So I'm taking out this Bantu and I am fluffing it up as I'm taking it out. And you just pull and stretch. As long as I get like the wave, that's what I'm going for. The wavy, big haired look, not necessarily the defined Bantu knot look that most people go for. So this is the outcome of the transitioning milk and the stretch gel. I would say this is a success. I absolutely love my hair. I like the bigness of it, and it also has a wave to it. Not too much definition, but just enough to where you can tell that there's curls in it, somewhat wave curls. And yeah, I would definitely recommend these products to anybody. I didn't have any problems with them, so for me it's all good over here. Thank you guys for watching. I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed watching it.
Figure it out.